Hi! Hi! Hi.
No bite.
Who's there?
Kai. No. Come. Come.
Took the best nap. Hello. Morning pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
Come on, yeah. So bad.
Chele, despertate ya, Chele, Ricky.
I'm on vacation. I get some more day.
No. No, you're not getting dinner. You're bad. No.
Yeah, I love you.
Look at that butt. Look at that butt. Look at it. Look at that butt. Did you just roll your eyes at me?
I don't know why you even left it open. If you was done, you'd have came. Girl.
I can't help you at the moment, dude. I'm a little indisposed.
Wait for it.
All I'm saying is don't give me attitude.
Get off. Talk shit. Talk shit. Do not.
If you don't stop biting my hands, I won't bite yours.
No. No.
Will you be my Valentine?
What? And then she tried to do it again, and I was like, are you dumb? Because that just doesn't make sense. Like, it just wasn't getting through to her.
If that isn't cute. Is that your baby? Huh?
No. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No, 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 no.
Say I love you. I need to tell you something, but you gotta come here so I can whisper it to you. You look like a potato.
Alright, can you say your name? Luna. That was perfect.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Can you say hello? Good boy. Can you say how are you?
Say, I love you.
Say hello. Say I'm beautiful. You say good morning.
Morning.
I love you.
Bailey, are you sad? No.
Trickle. Trickle.
Ma!
What's wrong?
Oh, Mom! That's what I thought.
Mama.
Mommy. Ma, Toby's biting.
Ma!
哎妈，妈，瞧这嘎偷吃那样东西，偷吃啥了？
妈妈。
I'm gonna call mom. Mom!
Mom, Toby ate all the cookies.